Okay, sorry, I'm having. Alright. Yes, I want to use this class to talk a little bit about some questions that some of you have brought up, and I want to use some activities to show you this. So one of my students, they sent me their activity that they were doing the past class, and they asked me some specific questions that I want to show you before we jump into the drawing. So first one is, how can I show different colors when I'm drawing on pencil? And that's a great question because, yeah, we're only using shades with only using different shades of gray. So that's gonna make it complicated. What we have to do with our colors is place our color in this grading in the in between. Let me show you an example with the bird that you were using last activity. Okay, so we have the geometrical shapes that we got out of it, and I wanted to show you this, and this is just the image in black and white. I just put it on a filter so we can appreciate what's going to happen with the colors. We talk a lot about the strong red copper color that this bird has both on the neck and the back. So if we compare it to the first image, we can see it even with this one. No, we can see it very clearly that this is a strong color, is a very characteristic color of the animal. But once we put it in black and white, we cannot appreciate it that much. Maybe we can see that it's a little bit darker in the front. If we see it right next to the white, that's right on the edge of the chest and right under that black line that has also coming down from the chest. And in the back is almost merging with all the other grays that the head has. So that's gonna happen with our colors. When we're doing these kind of activities, we can notate it on the side, like this is um, a very strong brown copper color that is characteristic on the animal. But we cannot make it that obvious on the drawing because, yeah, you can see very clearly here that this color is gonna be gone once we put it in black and white. And this is what our sketch is gonna be looking like when we finish working on it. And the other question that they asked me about this exercise was how to get the proportion right. And that was something that I wanted you guys to work with the geometrical shapes, like with this exercise. But then I realized that we didn't really measure this. So that's what we're gonna do in this one. And I wanna show you this. This is just the way that I measure it. And how I see things that maybe we don't really expect. So I measure the head in a horizontal way, and if I see the bird kind of fast, if I'm gonna see it on this image, maybe I think, oh, the tail is way longer than the head. That's the impression that this picture is giving me. And then when I place it here, I'm gonna see that the width of the head is almost as long as the tail. The tail is just a little bit longer. But then this is gonna help us understand the proportions of the animal. So we have the general shape, and it's just with the construction that we did of the geometrical figures. And we have, now we have the measures. So we can understand how big it is. I'm gonna show you one of the exercises that one of my students was doing. And it's this one.